This is why bats are the coolest creatures around. Let's dive into some wild bat facts. Fact number 1, bats are the only mammals that can truly fly. They're like the superheroes of the animal kingdom. Next up, did you know there are over 1,400 species of bats? That's more than all the mammal species in North America combined. Here's a wild one. Some bats can eat up to 1,200 mosquitoes in an hour. Talk about nature's pest control. Now this one's for the music lovers. Certain bat species use a technique called echolocation that's almost like singing. Their high-pitched tunes help them navigate and hunt. And finally, bats love to cuddle. They form close-knit groups called colonies, and some even hang out with the same friends every night. If you thought bats were cool before, now you know they're totally bat-tastic. Want more amazing animal facts? Hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome content.